for working out. Worked out all day yesterday and the day before. My legs are in pain, but gotta push through. Gotta get fit. So I got these 2 packages yesterday. Curious as to what they are. I keep ordering things and then I get them and I'm like, wow, this is a surprise. I don't remember getting this. Oh. Ooh. Yes. Protect drunk girls. This is fantastic. I love it. And then it like ties around the front. I'll put a link in the comments or the info. Yeah, the info part. This one is so cute. What is going on? I see. I understand slightly. I'll have to look at the actual thing to figure out what I'm doing. Because... oh wait, no. I'll figure it out. I'll have to look it up and I'll figure it out. Oh my gosh. This is a really heavy t-shirt. How does this open? I don't want to rip it. This isn't a t-shirt, but I know damn well what it is. Yes. Oh my god. Ah. Slayer. I saw Slayer 2 years ago for their farewell concert. Fucking mint. So good. Oh my god. This is amazing. It's so heavy, but it's like a really nice material. And it has a big old pocket. This is dope. This is so dope. I love it so much. Alright, I'm gonna look up how to tie this thingy and try it on. So, this took me forever to figure out, but I got it. It doesn't have much support, but it's really fucking cute. I like it a lot. It'll be really cute when I go back to clubbing. Ooh. I can't wait to lose weight. This looks so good on me when I lose weight. Lose this. From eating so much. Just gonna hide that. But yeah, it looks so good. I really like it. Okay, so I realized for the other one, I just realized that I got a small. I probably should have gotten a medium. That probably would have worked better, but I'm not going to try and order another one. This took like 2 months to arrive, so I mean, it fits okay. Like, all I need to do is like put pieces here. It'll be fine, because it still stays all together. And I feel like maybe a medium would be too big. I don't know. This was a large. It fits perfectly. It looks really cute, so I'm looking good. I'm a 36C, so yeah, maybe I should have gotten a medium, but it still fit. It works for what I need it for. I absolutely love this so fucking much. It's so cute. And yes, I changed my outfit just for the skirt.